Hey everyone. Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for daily tasks in 2026. Yeah? If you want to save time, stay organized, and get things done faster, this tool can be a huge help because honestly, it's like having a personal assistant that gives answers, ideas, and research instantly. So first, use it for planning. Uh, you can ask Perplexity to create daily schedules, to-do lists, or priority tasks, which helps you organize your day efficiently and avoid missing important deadlines. Next, handle research tasks. Yeah, instead of spending hours searching online, you can ask Perplexity quick questions like best productivity apps in 2026 or how to learn a new skill fast and get summarized answers with sources immediately. After that, get writing help. Uh, whether it's emails, notes, or reports, you can ask Perplexity to generate drafts, outlines, or templates, which saves a lot of time and makes your work more professional. Also, use it for decision making. Yeah, you can ask for pros and cons, comparisons, or suggestions when making choices, which helps you make smarter decisions quickly. And yeah, automate small learning or creative tasks. So, ask for summaries of articles, idea generation, or even step-by-step instructions for new projects, which keeps you productive without much effort. Finally, review and refine. Most of the time, people who use AI daily for planning, writing, and learning accomplish more in less time because they combine smart automation with their own judgment. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.